Good morning all of you. So my name is Sheikh Kalesha, lecturer in mathematics, Sri Siddheshwara PU College, the team IIT and Medical Academy, Davanagere. So today we will discuss KCET Mathematics 2020 question paper. Now this booklet subject code M, version code D4. So according to this booklet, now we explained every question with the detailed solutions, right? So first question here, Sima, what given? Integral 3x plus 1 divides x minus 1 x minus 2 into x minus 3 dx is equal to a into log of x minus 1 plus b into log of x minus 2 plus c into log of x minus 3 plus c. So from that question what we required here, then the values of a, b and c. So whenever, if you remember this type of question, partial fractions question in integration given means, then how to find it? So first in denominator we observing here linear non-repeated linear factors there. So first we put x minus 1 linear factor is equal to 0. So from that what we get here, x is equal to 1. Now this value, first value equal to a. So now this value is substituted in the given that partial fraction value. So 3 into 4 by, here how much more? This, except this value x minus 1, except remaining two factors we substitute the one value. So 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2, minus into minus plus. So that is equal to a is equal to 2. Similarly x minus 2 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 2 value. Now we substituted again b. So 3 2s are 6 plus 7 by, here 2 minus 1, 1 value. So 2 minus 3 minus 1 value, that is equal to minus 7. X minus 3 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 3 value. X is equal to 3. Then what we have done, c is equal to 10 by this value 3 minus 1 2. 3 minus 2 1, okay na? So 3 minus 1 2 and this value 1, so that's why 2, that is equal to 5. Now finally if we get the values, a is equal to 2 value and b is equal to minus 7 value, c is equal to 5 value, okay na? So in the given option, first one 2 minus 7 5, so answer is a. So first option is correct, okay na? Right. So next bit what given, Sima here? So second bit he given integral e power sin x into sin 2x dx given. So just we simplifying this value. So integral e power sin x. So this value how to write? 2 sin x into cos x dx. Now substitution, sin x is equal to t. So that implies, then if you write cos x dx is equal to dt value. So above value we substituted means e power t 2 into t, and this value how much here, cos x dx is equal to dt value, that is equal to 2 into integral t into e power dt, that is equal to 2 into, here substitution formula, by parts formula, t e power t, algebraic and exponential, algebraic function first, t into e power t minus integral derivative of t 1, again integral e power t. So that's why what we have done, integral e power t into e power t dt, that is equal to 2 into integral e power t only, 2 into e power t t minus 1 plus c value, that is equal to 2 into e power sin x into sin x minus 1 plus c, okay na? So in the given option 2 into e power sin x minus 1. So answer B is correct. Answer B is correct. Okay na? So those are the first two questions, integration problems. So next one also integration problem only, third one. Integral minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 cos inverse x dx. Now here take substitution. Suppose cos inverse x is equal to theta, then x is equal to cos theta. Whenever if we interchange another variable, then must we change the limits. x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. X is equal to 1 by 2. Theta is equal to pi by 3 value. Now here also we run derivative of this function. Dx is equal to minus sin theta d theta. Dx is equal to minus sin theta d theta. Now see integral minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 cos inverse x dx is equal to integral 2 pi by 3 to pi by 3 cos inverse x. Cos inverse x means theta value. Theta into dx is equal to minus sin theta into d theta minus sin theta into d theta. Again by parts formula. Then what we see minus half theta sin theta. So theta is the first function. Sin theta integration minus cos theta minus integral. So theta derivative 1. Sin theta derivative minus cos theta. Cos theta d theta. Limits 2 pi by 3 to pi by 3 value. Next, if you want to multiply minus into minus plus theta plus into minus minus this value again sin theta. So if you want to run 2 pi by 3 to pi by 3 value. So first we substitute the value pi by 3 cos pi by 3 means 1 by 2 and minus sin 2 pi by 3 sin 2 pi by 3 minus half this value pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3 this value. So here also if you run pi by 3 first substitution 2 pi by 3 minus this value how much here first theta pi by 3 cos pi by 3 cos 60 and again what we run here sin pi by 3 value. Next so 2 pi into cos 2 pi by 3 cos 2 by pi by 3 minus sin 2 pi by 3 value. Now here see simplifications. Sin pi by 3 is equal to 1 by root 3. So this value cancellation. Why means this value become as a plus root 3 by 2. This value become as a minus root 3 by 2. Now here cancellation if we take it means here this value pi by 6 minus here 2 pi by 3 means 1 by 2. 2 cancellation and again how much minus 1 by 2. Minus into minus plus. Okay na this value 2 pi by 3 and this value 1 by 2. So plus pi by 3 value. Okay na pi by 3. Then LCM how much here 6. So pi plus 2 pi by that is equal to 3 pi by 6 that is equal to pi by 2. So in the given option answer is 3. Answer is 3. Some lengthy otherwise if you know the very well this expansion cos inverse x by parts 1 into cos inverse x then also if you get the same answer pi by 2 value. Okay na next fourth bit. So fourth bit integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 cos x by 1 plus e power x into dx. Now we are applying the property here integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So that property we applying means first we consider this is the I value. So this is equation 1. Now we are applying the property integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So cos x y means pi by 2 minus x plus pi by 2 minus x cos of minus x plus 1 plus e power minus x dx value. Now simplifying this value integral minus pi by 2 and this value also pi by 2 e power x into cos x 1 plus e power x dx. So this is equation 2 Now if you adding these two values 1 plus 2 then what we are here 2i is equal to integral minus 1 by 2 to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Okay na now these 2 if you adding means cos x common there here then what we are here cos x common 1 plus e power x by 1 plus e power x dx value. These two are cancellation. So cos x integration sin x then what we are here 2i is equal to sin x this value minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sin pi by 2 means 1 value minus sin of minus means 1 value. So 2i is equal to 2 here how much 2i is equal to 2 then I is equal to 1. I is nothing but given value. So that's why option D is correct. This answer option D is correct answer. Okay na. So this integration some lengthy there. Next one. So next one what given here This one also again integration problem only ma. So integral 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x by 1 plus x square dx, 1 plus x square dx. Here see ma, x is equal to tan x, that implies dx is equal to secant square x. Ma, x is equal to 0, tan theta, secant square theta, theta is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, theta is equal to pi by 4 value. Now we substituting the above integral, 0 plus 0, 1 plus pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta, dx is equal to how much ma? Secant square theta and d theta, secant square 1 plus tan square cancellation. Ma, this one direct answer there, pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan theta into d theta. Okay na, here what we have done property there, tan of integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a minus x 0 to a f of x dx is equal to a minus x dx there. So that property we apply means pi by 4 minus x, then we split that formula, tan of a plus b formula, then if we get this answer ma. So that's why what we have done means here this direct answer there in question also, pi by 8. So this value ma, pi by 8 into log 2. Otherwise I told no ma, so theta place how much write on, pi by 4 minus theta value write on, tan of a minus b. Then if we take again this value I we consider 2i is equal to, if we get that value, finally if we get pi by 8 into log 2. So which option is correct answer? A. So board question ma, that one board question there. Next this one see ma, sixth one what given here, area problem given. So the area of the region bounded by the curve, so two curves given, y square is equal to 8x first curve, and another one line equation given, y is equal to 2x line equation, means this type of figure. If we get this is the parabola and this is the line. Now if you want to find out this is a shaded region. Okay na, so shaded region if you want means, so then that point of intersection means what? This value is substituting here, 2x whole square is equal to 8x, 4x square minus 8x is equal to 0, 4x common, x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. So mostly this point ma, 2 comma 0. So this is the origin. So this value is substituting in the above value, y is equal to 4, 2 comma 4 point of intersection. So required area, integral 0 to 2 upper curve, y square is equal to this value, y square is equal to 8x, y is equal to how much ma? Root 8 into root x minus lower curve, y is equal to 2x into dx. Now integration, so this value root 8, this value ma, x power 3 by 2 divides 3 by 2, limits 0 to 2 minus x square no ma, this value only x square 0 to 2 value. Now simplification, what we have done here, so root 8 there, this value 3, so root 8 if you want to write on 2 into root 2, so again here ma 2 by 3, so 2 place if you write on means 2 power 3 by 2, 2 into root 2, again this value 2 into root 2 minus this value 4 value, then that is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, again this 16 by 3 minus 4, that is equal to 16 minus 12, that is equal to 4 by 3 square units. Okay na, so then we applying this one and we simplifying the given condition. So which option this one? Option C. So from this option C, this is the answer, C answer. Right, next one Sima. So next one what given here, a seventh bit. Okay na, so this is also area problem, seventh one also area. Here what given ma, the area of the region bounded by the curve, y is equal to 2x plus 1, one line equation given ma, and ordinates x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 1 given. Okay na, now if you want to draw like this, see ma, so this is the ordinates, and x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 1. So y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, now y is equal to mx plus c means y is equal to 0 if we put ma. Then if we get the value x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this is the point of intersection. So here x intercept how much? Y, 1. So now if you want to draw like this. okay na. So this is minus 1 by 2 comma 0, okay na. This is the line. Now which one we want ma? This shaded region and this total shaded region under the curve. So this total shaded region and this part we want. So here we split into two parts, okay na. This one what? Minus 1 comma 0. Here this one what? 1 comma 0. So required area, how to write here, how to we get minus 1 by 2 means in the given line equation we put y is equal to 0. So put y is equal to 0 means y is equal to 0, that implies 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1 by 2 value. Now required area, if you want to find out required area is equal to integral minus 1 to 1 by 2. Now this line equation there nama same, 2x plus 1 into dx plus integral minus 1 by 2 1 2x plus 1 into dx value. Now simplifying this one, that is equal to 2 into x square by 2, x square plus x minus 1 to minus 1 by 2. Then this is also x square plus x minus 1 by 2 to 1 value. Now substituted here, this value 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus half. So 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 minus half, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Now this is the positive quantity, this is the negative quantity, both are cancellation. This is 0. So 1 plus 1 2 square units, 1 plus 1 2 square units, okay na. Now next one sima 8th. So this option 4th C answer is C. Next 8th bit. So 8th bit what given means this is the differential equation problem. C1 into y is equal to C2 plus C3 given, C2 plus C3 e power x plus C4, okay na. Now first y is equal to what we have done here, C2 C3 C1 into this one e power x into e power C4. Actually what we find out here, the order of the differential equation obtained by eliminating arbitrary constants in the family of curves. Here if you want to find out the order if you want means first derivative if you want to. Here totally what we have done this value. So y is equal to this one, this quantity and this quantity e power c by 4 if you consider constant value. So y is equal to a into e power x. Now dy by dx is equal to a into e power x. So order is 1. Order how much here? Order is 1. So answer is option B. Answer is option B option. Okay na, right. Right, next one 9th bit, the general solution of the differential equation. General solution of the differential equation, x square into dy minus 2xy 2 into xy into dx x power 4 into cos x dx, x power 4 into cos x dx. So totally divisible with x square into dx. Then see dy by dx minus 2 by x into y is equal to x square into cos x. Okay now, which form there this one? Dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q form. Here if is equal to what we have done? if is equal to e power integral p into minus 2 by x into dx, that is equal to e power minus 2 log. So means what we have done here? Log of x power minus 2 means 1 by x square. So general solution y into if 1 by x square is equal to integral if into q is equal to how much here? X square into cos x plus c value. X square cancellation, cos x integration how much? Sin x plus c. Now if we take cross multiplication, y is equal to x square into sin x plus c into x square. So which option is correct here? Y is equal to x square into sin x plus c x square. Answer is B option. Answer is B. Okay na. So next 10th one. So 10th bit what given? The curve passing through the point 1, 2 given by the slope of the tangent at the point. So same bit in board question given. I think this Annual exam board question also given, same question. Dy by dx is equal to how much there here? 2x by y. Now if you take cross multiplication, y into dy is equal to 2x into dx. Now we are applying the integration. Y square by 2 is equal to 2 into x square by plus c. Okay na? Now this equation is passing through 2 comma 1. Now here we substituted means 2 comma 1, sorry 1 comma 2, passing through 1 comma 2. So 4 by 2 is equal to 1 plus c. Then c is equal to minus 1. So here we substituted my c value. Y square by 2 is equal to x square minus 1. Then finally what we done here? X square by 1 minus y square by 2 is equal to 1. This is what ma? Hyperbola. So which option is correct here? A answer. Option A is a correct answer. Okay na? Next 11th bit what given here? So 11th bit here given two vectors given, AB bar and AC bar given, represent two sides of a triangle. Suppose one triangle there here, triangle A B C. So this vectors given I cap plus j cap plus k cap. So here I cap plus 3j cap plus 5k cap given. Now what we find out here, respectively of triangle AB, then the length of median. Median means already know. So what is the opposite to midpoint, side midpoint if you draw, this is a median. AD if you want. So whenever this type of question given, length of AD and if you want means, so first we find out AD like this, AB plus AC by AB plus AC by 2 value, that is equal these two, I plus I, 2I cap, J 3J, 4J cap, 6K cap by 2 value, 2 common, I cap, 2J cap plus 3K cap. Magnitude, length if you want, AD bar is equal to square root of 1 plus 4 plus 9, that is equal to root 14. Okay na? So option A, answer is A answer correct. Next this question number, this question 11th question and 12th question Simon. So 12th question what given here, A bar and B bar are the unit vectors and theta is the angle between A bar and B bar, then sin theta by 2. So here magnitude of A bar is equal to magnitude of B bar is equal to 1. So sin theta, especially if you want means, if you consider here A bar minus B bar, otherwise cos theta by 2 if you want means A bar plus B bar. So if you are applying the whole square, so then modulus of A bar square plus mod of B bar square minus 2 into mod of A bar mod of B bar cos theta. Now these values 1 plus 1 minus 2 into 1 into cos theta, 2 common. So 2 common, when if you add on this value 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta is equal to how much that is equal to 2 into sin square theta by 2. So that is equal to 4 sin square theta by 2. Then so root there here, just if you want to find out A bar minus B bar is equal to 2 into sin theta by 2. Then finally what here, sin theta by 2 is equal to mod of A bar minus B bar by 2. When square we eliminate this value to sin value. So that's why A bar minus B bar by 2 value. So option D is correct here. Answer is D option. So which option? Answer is D option. Okay na? So next. Right, next 12 bits over 13th bit 13th bit vector coplanar condition given. So coplanar means what? Box of A bar B bar C bar is equal to 0, means magnitude of this value 2 minus 3 4, 2 minus 3 4. Next 2 1 minus 1, 2 minus 3 4, 2 1 minus 1. So lambda minus 1 and 2 is equal to 0. So 2 into 2 minus 1 plus 3 into this value how much 4 plus lambda plus 4 into, so minus 2 minus lambda is equal to 0. So 2 minus 1, 2 value plus, correct this one, 3, 12 plus 3 lambda minus 8 minus 4 lambda is equal to 0. 3 lambda minus 4 lambda minus lambda. Here 14 minus 8 plus 6, so is equal to minus 6. Lambda is equal to 6. So lambda is equal to 6. So answer is B. Answer is ma B answer. Okay na. Next 14th bit sima. So 14th what given here? A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar whole square plus A bar dot B bar whole square is equal to 144. Mod of A bar is equal to 6 given. Next B value if you want. If you remember one condition, this point there ma, A bar cross B bar whole square plus A bar dot B bar whole square is equal to mod of A bar square mod of B bar square. Now that's why if you are applying this condition, mod of A square mod of B square is equal to 144. Mod of A is equal to this value number 36 into mod of B square is equal to 144. Mod of B is equal to square root of 144 by 36, means 12 by 6, that is equal to 2. So option is D. Answer is ma D option. Next 15th bit. So this one ma just point given here. Which point given? So 1 minus 3 4 given. Octant if you want means this method we remember ma first addition minus quadrant. So like this just we add plus for 4. So this is represent the first quadrant, this is represent the second quadrant, this is represent the third quadrant, this is represent the fourth quadrant. So like that only remaining. So if you take like this plus minus plus minus 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 plus plus minus. Okay now here if you add minus, now this is 5 6 7 8. Now given related option plus minus plus. So option is the fourth quadrant. Answer is Q4 answer. So answer represent option C. Answer is fourth option. Fourth option is a correct option. Okay na. So next Sima 16th bit. 16th bit here, if a line makes an angle pi by 3 with each x axis y axis, then the acute angle made by z axis. Okay na. So 3 axis means this is the direction cosines problem, the 3D geometry. If you take here cos alpha, okay na, cos alpha is equal to, suppose here what given here, alpha is equal to, first x axis mama, alpha is equal to pi by 3, beta is equal to pi by 3. Now gamma value question mark if you want to find out. So we know that one relation there ma, cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus ma cos square gamma is equal to 1. Cos pi by 3, here pi by 3 means 1 by 2, so this value 1 by 4 and this value also 1 by 4. This value ma cos square gamma is equal to 1. Now cos square gamma is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. So then cos gamma is equal to 1 by root 2. So that value is cos pi by 4. Then gamma is equal to pi by 4 value. Why means these two are acute angles, so that's why if you consider here pi by 4 value. So answer is 4. So answer is B. Answer B option correct. Next 17th bit. So 17th bit what given here, distance problem given ma. So point given 1 comma 2 comma minus 4 given, line equation x minus 3 by 2 and this value ma is equal to y minus 3 by 2, 3 is equal to z plus 5 by 6 given. Okay na. So right Sima. So this is the line equation. Now here one point there, on the line point what here, 3 comma 3 comma minus 5, 3 comma 3 comma minus 5. So here another one point there, that point he given, which point given ma, 1 comma 2 comma minus 4. From that point if you draw one perpendicular, now this one, suppose this is ABC. So right angle property if you want to apply means BC value if you want to. So generally this AC value if you want means ma, how do we get here one vector there, on that line vector there. So 2i cap plus ma 3j cap plus this value how much, 6k cap. So this is the vector 2 3 6 direction ratios that vector. Now if you want to find out this value, then how to find out means ma, BC square is equal to AB square plus this value of AB square. First right angle triangle property if you want to add means AB square is equal to what ma, AC square plus ma BC square. Now if you want BC square length here, so that's why AC square minus AB square value. So AC square correct na ma, AB square is equal to AC plus BC square. Now if you want to find out BC, so AC square minus AB square, AC square minus AB hypotenuse, AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square. BC square if you want means AB plus AC square. AB is what distance between these 2 points. So 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 2 4 means 4. So 2 minus 3 1 plus 1. So 5 plus 1. So this value 1 value. Now here AC if you want means generally what would means projection of AB vector on AC vector. So if you want to run this value, AC if you want means projection of AB on AC vector. So this vector what to run here, minus 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap. So minus 2 minus 1 this value 2 minus 3 this value how much, so plus k cap. Now that's why this value is equal to 6. Projection what we run see these two. So minus 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 1 into 3 minus 3 plus 1 into 6 by square root of this value 2 3 4 b vector 4 plus 9 plus 36 whole square value. So that is equal to if you want to 6 minus this value minus 7 plus 1 plus 1. So plus 1 by root 49. So 49 means this value 294 by so 49, that is equal to 293 by 49 value. So this is BC square. Now if you want to only BC, that is equal to 2 root of 293 by 7 value. So which option correct here? Answer C is correct. Answer C is correct. Okay na, some lengthy but important model for every year this type of models given. Right, next question what ma? So totally 17th over 18th question given sima. So angle, sine angle given, one line equation given, x minus 2 by 3 is equal to here 3 minus y by minus 4 given, that is equal to z minus 4 by 5. But this is not a standard form. So standard form means x minus 2 by 3, y minus 3 by 4, that is equal to z minus 4 by 5 value. So plane what given here, 2x minus 2y given plus z is equal to 5n. So from that line if you want to run vector, b bar is equal to 3k cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap. So n bar is equal to 2i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. So sin theta cos of 90 minus theta or sin theta is equal to b bar dot into n bar by magnitude of b bar into magnitude of n bar. So that is equal to these two, 6 minus 8 plus 5 by this value how much, square root of b square 4 plus 1 root 9 value 9 plus 16 25 plus 25 root 15 value, that is equal to 11 3. So 3 by 3 into this value 5 into root 2. So 3 cancellation. Okay na? So root 2 multiplication root 2 by root 2, that is equal to root 2 by 10 value, root 2 by 10. So answer is 1. Answer is 1. Okay na? Next 19th bit sima. So 19th bit what given here, LPP problem, this one linear programming problem given, L1. So this type of one figure given sima, here this line given, so another line, sorry, so like this there are another one, sorry 1 minute here. So like this one line given, another line, so like this given another line. If you want to convert it so like this another one line given. Okay na? Now this is the feasible region. Okay na, feasible region. So first this line equation, so this line equation x plus 3y is equal to 9. This line equation x plus y is equal to 5n. So that's why this is the point 0 comma 3, this is the point 0 comma 2. Now if we solve in these two, this is the 3.2. Okay na? Z constraint what given here, z is equal to 11x plus 7y given. This is the corner point first at 0 comma 5. Here which value required, maximum value of z. 0 comma 5 means z is equal to 0 plus 35 is equal to 35. At this value 0 comma 3, then z is equal to 0 plus 21, that is equal to 21. Next 3 comma 2, at 3 comma 2. So z is equal to 3 means 33 plus 14, that is equal to 47. So which is the maximum value where 3 comma 2. So here forming the maximum value. So answer A is correct. Answer A is a correct option. Okay na. So similarly here which one given means 20 bit given. So question what given, see corner point of the feasible region determined by the system of linear constraints, values given, corner points given, z is equal to px plus qy given, z is equal to px plus qy. Okay na. Next here p is greater than q, conditions p and, so that minimum of z occurs at 3 comma 0 and 1 comma 1. So minimum of z, so z minimum of z at 3 comma 0 is equal to minimum of z at 1 comma 1 value. Okay na. So that's why here we substituted 3p is equal to this value p plus q. So 2p is equal to q, p is equal to q by 2 value, p is equal to q by 2. So answer is 3. Answer 3. Okay na. So 20 bits over so next 21 probability problem given. 21 onwards probability problems there. So first one probability what given, see here probability of A given, probability of B value given, probability of A intersection B given. So probability of A is equal to 1 by 3 given, probability of B is equal to 1 by 2 given, probability of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 6 given. Then how to simplifying this value, probability of A complement divides B. So then probability of conditional probability A complement intersection B by probability of B. So A minus B formula. Then how to write means whenever this type of given means which complement not there, that value written. Probability of B minus probability of A intersection B by probability of B value. Probability of B cancellation, 1 minus probability of A intersection B 1 by 6 divides probability of B 1 by 2. So that is equal to 1 minus reciprocal if you taken means 1 by 6 2 cancellation 1 by 3, that is equal to 2 by 3. So which option, B option is correct. Next another problem 22. Here what given, a die is thrown 10 times, the probability that an odd number will come up at least one time given. At least one time odd number means this is difficult. So generally probability of getting odd number is equal to 1 time 3 by 6, that is equal to P. Probability of getting even number, so 1 time only, that is equal to 1. Okay na. So now what we require here, probability of getting at least odd number, an odd number at least once is equal to what means 1 minus probability of an odd number, an even number getting 10 times, an even number getting 10 times. Now see that is equal to 1 minus probability of even number, probability of 10 times. So probability of even number 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 10 times if you repeat that means 1 minus 2 power 10, that is equal to 1 minus 1024. LCM if you taken means 1023 by 1024. So option is C. So answer C. Otherwise another method also there. So binomial distribution. Okay na, binomial distribution if you consider means P is equal to Q is equal to 1 by 2, N is equal to 10. Okay na, then we consider that value, then also if we get the same answer. Next this one Sima. Next probability of problem only given. So next one what given means the probability of solving by 3%, the probability of solving by a problem by 3%, probability of solving by a problem 3 persons A, B, C, their probability is given, then the probability of the problem solved by any one of the two of them, any one of two them. So probability of A is equal to 1 by 2 given. Okay na, probability of B is equal to this one given 1 by 4 given, probability of C is equal to 1 by 3 given. So that's why probability of A complement is equal to 1 by 2, probability of B complement is equal to 3 by 4, probability of C complement is equal to 2 by 3. Okay na. Now here required probability probability is equal to probability of A intersection B intersection C complement plus probability of A intersection B complement intersection C, probability of A complement intersection B intersection C. So any two of members only possible here. So this is what probability of A into probability of B into probability of A. So that's why 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 1 by C, 2 by 3. Next, probability of A 1 by 2, B complement 3 by 4, C 1 by 3 plus probability of A complement 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 3 value. Now see that's value 2 cancellation 1 by 12, 3 cancellation 1 by 8. So this one 1 by 24, that is equal to overall 24, 2 plus 3 plus 1. So 4, 6. So 6 by 24, that is equal to 1 by 4 value. So option is C answer. Answer is C. Option C is correct. So next one, see 24th bit given. This is some calculation part, Bayes theorem problem. So generally this is Bayes theorem problem, but directly not given question here. Okay, na Bayes theorem problem means already know that from that one box we selected 2 red balls, 3 balls, so directly that type of questions there. But given values given. So probability of E1 is equal to probability of E2 is equal to 1 by 2 given. Next one, probability of E2 divides A is equal to 1 by 2 given. Probability of A divides E2 is equal to 2 by 3 given. Now if you want to find out the probability of A1 divides A, so directly not possible. First we consider this value, probability of E2 divides A. How to applying by a Bayes theorem means probability of E2 and a reciprocal of this fraction A divides E2 by how many events are there? Probability of 2 events, E1 into probability of A divides E2 plus probability of E2 into probability of A divides E2. Okay, now here we substituted E2 means 1 by 2 is equal to, so 1 by 2, probability of A divides E2 2 by 3 divides 1 by 2, this value we don't know. A divides E1 not there, A divides E1 plus 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 value there. Here 1 by 2, then 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cancellation, then what we have done here, 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3 divides probability of A divides E1 plus 2 by 3 value. Now cross multiplication if you want to add means probability of A divides E1 plus 2 by 3, this one reciprocal, so 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 if you want to add means probability of A divides E1 is equal to, we take on that side, so 2 by 3, this value 2 by 2, but actually what we require here, probability of E1 divides A required, probability of E1 divides A, same formula again, probability of E1 into probability of A divides E1, now this value there. So and similarly probability of E1 into probability of A divides E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A divides E2. Now here we substituted my values 1 by 2 into this value how much? 2 by 3. Okay, na? So 1 by 2, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2, here also 2 by 3. Now numerator value 2 by 6, denominator value 2 plus 2, 4 by 6. So 6 cancellation, 1 by 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. So which option is correct means for second option. So answer B. So second option is correct. Some lengthy question by this one, no? 2 times if you want to find out the value. So after then we simplifying the given condition. Okay, na? So next one, Sima. So next one what we find out here, 25th question. So 25th question what given Sima here? 25th question. So one set given A, then the number of subsets of A given. So A is equal to set of 26 bit number, A is equal to set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 there. So number of subsets which contains at least 2 elements, at least 2 elements. So number of subsets is equal to what we remember, total number of subsets, total number of subsets minus set having one element plus 0 elements. One element plus 0 elements. Why means if you have at least 2, 3, 4 elements having that sets subsets if you want. Total number of sets if you subtracting the one element having subsets, 0 element having subsets. So that's why here what we have total number of subsets 2 power 6. Here if you elevate one element having sets, how many there? 6c1 plus 6c0. Then see this value 64 minus this one 6 plus 1. So 7 if you subtracting means 57. Number of subsets, how many here? The number of subsets with A which contains at least 2 elements. So option D is correct. Answer D is a correct answer. So 27. 27 what given? N of A is equal to 2 given. N of A is equal to 2 given. The total number of possible relations from A to B is this one. Now you know that one condition, the total number of relations. The total number of relations from A to B is 1024 given. That formula there 2 power n of A into n of B is equal to 1024. Now see here what we have done, 2 power n of A into n of B, number of relations 2 power 10. Then n of A into n of B is equal to 10. N of A is equal to 2. So 2 into n of B is equal to 10. N of B is equal to 5 value. Okay na? So which option correct? Answer is A. Answer is A answer. Next bit simple question only, this one 27. Sorry, so this one 25. So 25 this one 26. Next one 27. Trigonometric problem given, simple question only. So sine square 51 degrees plus sine square 39 degrees. Just we take which one, first one or second one. If we convert this value, how to write means sine square of 90 minus 51, 90 minus theta. So then that's why cos, this value sine square 51 degrees plus cos square 51, that value is equal to 1. So option is B. So this answer option is B, option is correct. Next this one 27 over 28 also trigonometric problem. 28 also trigonometric problem. Here what given tan A plus cot A is equal to 2 given. So tan power 4A, cot power 4A. So squaring 2 times. So first squaring means tan square A plus cot square A. Next one what 2 tan A into cot A. Tan A, cot A reciprocals. 2 is equal to 4. Then again what we have here, tan square A plus cot square A is equal to 2 value. Again we are applying the whole square. Tan power 4A plus cot power 4A plus 2 is equal to 4. Then tan power 4A plus cot power 4A. 4 minus 2, 2 value. So which option is correct again here means B, option B. Answer B is correct. Next 29th bit. So 29th bit verification, this one sentence given, one statement given, 2 power n is less than n factorial, and then the smallest possible integer for the which p of n is true. He given options given, so that's why general verification if you want to run means if n is equal to 1, so that implies 2 is less than 1, so this is the false statement. N is equal to 2, so 4 is less than 2, this is also false statement. N is equal to 3, 8 is less than 6, okay na, 3 factorial 3 factorial means 6, this is also false statement. N is equal to 4, then what we done see, n is equal to 4 means 2 power 4, 16 is less than 24, this is the true statement. Here what given, the smallest positive integer for which p of n is true, so this is the smallest positive integer, option D. So answer is D option for this one. Next this one complex number problem given. Here what given, z is equal to x plus iy given, and one relation given, mod of z plus 1 is equal to mod of z minus 1 represent. So 30 bit 30 na, okay right. So 30 bit z is equal to x plus iy, given condition z plus 1 is equal to z minus 1 value. Then what we have done here, x plus 1 plus iy is equal to x minus 1 plus iy. Now squaring, if you eliminate this value means x plus 1 whole square plus y square is equal to correct? X plus 1 whole square plus 1. Next x minus 1 whole square plus y square. Y square eliminated. This value x square plus 1 plus 2x. Then what we are done here, that is equal to x square plus 1 minus 2x. X square 1 cancellation. So 4x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0. So this is represent y-axis equation. Y-axis equation means which option is correct here? First option. Answer is A. Okay, next. So the value of binomial theorem problem given. Binomial theorem problem. So here what given? Binomial theorem, one value given. 16c9 plus 16c10 minus 16c1 minus 16c7 there. Here two type of method there. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus r there. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus r. So these two we consider means if we get the value NC9. So like that if we take here common, here 6c6 NCR plus NCR minus 1. So 7, n plus 1 CR. So that's why NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. Now if you comparing this one, then what we are done here 16c9 okay na plus 16c10 minus of 16c6 plus 16c7, that is equal to NCR plus NCR minus 1. So 17c10 minus this one 17c7. Now these two are same. 17 factorial by 10 factorial into 7 factorial minus 17 factorial by 7 factorial into 10 factorial. Both have the same values, that is equal to 0. Otherwise these two we comparing means subtraction. 7c6 means these two, this one and this one equal, and this one equal. Then that is also if you are subtracting, then also if you get the value 0 value. So answer is B. Next 31 over 32 bits. So 32 here what given means binomial there. So number of binomial terms formula there. Number of binomial terms is n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. Here binomial expansion what given? X plus y plus z whole power 10 given. So we are applying that formula, that is equal to what we are done, n is equal to 10 plus number of terms 3 c3 minus 1, that is equal to 12c2. 12c2 means 12 factorial by 2 factorial into 10 factorial. So 12 into 11 by 2, that is equal to 66. Number of terms is equal to 66. So B option. Okay na. So next here one relation given. Which relation given? 33 bit Sn given. So 33 bit Sn is equal to n square plus n value. Sum of n terms, the common difference of AP. So first S1 is equal to 1 plus 1 2. S2 is equal to 4 plus 2 6. Okay na. Now this is the first term. This is the first term. This is the sum of the first two terms. So that's why S2 is equal to A1 plus A2. But S2 minus S1. A1 plus S1 if you remember, that value is equal to A2. Now A2 is equal to S2. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. D is equal to what we are generally A2 minus A1. 4. A1 is equal to 2 number. A1 is equal to 2. So that's why common difference is 2. So D option. Answer is D. Answer is D option. Next, this one 34 bit. What given? Here two lines given. So these two lines are perpendicular. Lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 and L dash x plus m dash y plus n dash is equal to 0. So equation 1, equation 2. So from equation 1, if you want to run y value, slope, y conversion means n by m minus L by mx. From equation 2, again if you want to run slope condition, y only, y is equal to n dash by m dash L dash by m dash into x. Okay, here slope minus L by m, here L dash m. So perpendicular number this one, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So that's why minus L by m into minus L dash by M dash is equal to minus 1. Okay, now product here. So L into L dash is equal to minus M into M dash. Then L into L dash plus M into M dash is equal to 0. So which option correct here? B option. Answer B is correct. So next bit sima here 35th bit. So parabola given. One parabola given x square is equal to 4ay. So now length of the lateral rectum, but this is passing through. So this parabola is passing through 2, 1. So that's why 4 is equal to 4a into 1. A is equal to 1 value. So formula there, length of the lattice rectum is mod 4a, that is equal to 4 into 1 mod, that is equal to 4 value. So option is C. C answer correct. Next 35 over next 36 sima limit question given. So here different type of methods there. If you want to solving this one, rationalization there or LHL L hospital rule. If you applying L hospital rule, any method. So limit extends to 0. This value tan x by square root of 2x plus 4 minus 2 value. Okay na. So rationalization first we applying means then what we done here, limit extends to 0. This value tan x into root of 2x plus 4 plus 2 divides this value how much, 2x plus 4 minus 4 value, minus 4 plus 4 cancellation. Now if you split this 2 terms, 2 into limit extends to 0 tan x by x into limit extends to 0 square root of 2x plus 4 plus 2 value. Now here value 1 by 2. From this value 0 plus, if you put 0 means x plus root 2, root 4 means 2, 2 plus 2 4. So 2 1s are 2 2s are, that is equal to 2. Otherwise if you want to apply the L hospital rule, secant square x, this one, so 1 by 2 into root of 2 to cancellation, then also we substitute the value and we get the same answer. So answer is B. Okay na. So next so general this one given, which one? Mathematical reasoning one statement given here. What given sima, the negation of the statement for all real numbers xy and x plus y is equal to y plus. For all means that is also, if you want to write a negation means some real numbers. For all negation also if you want to write means then what we write, some real numbers. For some real numbers, for some real numbers, for some real numbers x and y, x plus y is not equal to y plus x. Okay na. Which option that one 37 question option is D. So D option. For some real number x and y, if you consider for all real numbers given number, that negation for all real number means some real number, x plus y is not equal to y plus x. Y means x plus y is equal to y plus x, equal opposite sign not equal to. For all means some only we consider. Okay na? So that's why option D is a correct option. Next 38 bit calculation part, standard deviation of the given data 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First mean x bar is equal to 7 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 by 5 value, that is equal to 40 by 8. Then finally what we require here, sigma is equal to square root of sigma xi minus mu whole square by n value. So that is equal to square root of sigma x bar, mu means x bar. So this value subtracting from these numbers, 6 minus 8, 2 square means 4. Then 7 minus 8 plus 1, 8 means 0. Then again 8, 1 plus this value 4 by number of terms, how many there here? 5 there. That is equal to this value how much? 5 by 10 by 5. That is equal to 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10. So root 2 is the answer. So option is B. Answer is B. Next 39 bit sima. 39 bit what given here, if a comma b comma are mutually exclusive events, means the probability of a intersection b intersection c is equal to 0 value. And next this value, exhaustive events of an experiment, exhaustive events of an experiment, probability of a is equal to probability of 2 is equal to given, the condition given. Then if you want to find out the probability of b value, okay na, probability of b value. So that's why first we consider my here probability of a intersection b intersection c is equal to 0 value. And given condition what given here, probability of a is equal to 2 into probability of b is equal to 3 into probability of c, we take some constant value k. Then Sima, if we substitute this value, probability of a is equal to, then probability of b is equal to k by 2, probability of c is equal to k by 3 value. Then here exhaustive events means what, sum probability of a plus probability of b plus probability of c is equal to 1, means total probability of a union b union c is equal to s, probability of s is always 1. So now we substitute the values here, k plus k by 2 plus k by 3 is equal to 1, LCM 6, so 6k plus 3k plus 2k is equal to 1, 11k is equal to 6, k is equal to 6 by 11. But if you want which value here, probability of b, any value if you want, means the probability of b is equal to how much we consider here, k by 2, so k 1 by 2 into 6 by 11, then that is equal to 3 by 11. So which option is correct? Fourth option is correct. Answer D option is a correct option. Okay da. Next here only simple bit, this one also. So 40 given, one set given, a is equal to suppose 1 comma 2 comma 3 there, so r is equal to relation like this given, 1 comma 1 given. Here 2 comma 2 does not belongs to, 2 comma 2 does not belongs to r, so that's why that is not a reflexive. But here r given, here only we search symmetric. Symmetric means what, 1 comma 1 and again 1 comma 1 there. Transitive also 1 comma 1 1 comma there means so finally r is symmetric and transitive, symmetric and transitive. So which option is correct, means symmetric and transitive? Answer is D option. Option D is a correct option. Okay na? So right, 40 bits over. So next 41. 40 bits over. Next 41. Here one function given. That function what we require means a range. So range means what? So outputs, that function substitution of the domain we substitute in the given function, that outputs given, that is the range. So 41 bit f maps closed interval of 2 comma infinity to capital R. So f of x is equal to how much there, x square minus 4x plus 5. Here domain means what, 2 to infinity. So first now we substitute the value 2. So 4 minus 8 plus 5, that is equal to 1 value. So f of 3 is equal to 9 minus 12 plus 5 is equal to how much? 14 means 2 value. Here in the given option closed interval of 1 combination only there. So range is what we have done, closed interval of 1 to, if we substitute any value up to infinity, if we get this value, closed interval of infinity. So answer is C. Next 42 bit. Next 42. Here what given, number of binary operation given, a set having 3 elements, a comma b comma c. So number of binary operations is n square, that is equal to, n means 3 square, that is equal to 3 power 9. So which option is correct here? A option is correct. Answer A is correct. So 42. Then 43 bit. So 43 what given, domain of the function. So function what given by here, f of x is equal to cos inverse of root of x minus 1. So cos inverse value lies between this one, so root of x minus 1 is less than or equal to plus 1. Then if squaring on both sides means, if you eliminate this root, this negative value become as a positive, means a 0. So x minus 1 is less than or equal to 1. If you add on 1 both sides, 1 cancellation, this value is equal. So x belongs to closed interval of 1 comma 2. So which option is correct here? X belongs to 1 comma 2 means answer B is correct. Answer option B is correct. Next 44, bit number 44, the value of, so cos inverse pi by 3 plus sin inverse pi by 3. So generally here cos inverse means this radian values are not possible here, but he given like this given, just we applying the property cos inverse of x plus sin inverse of x pi by 2. So in that manner if you want to substitute pi by 2, then if you get the answer 0. So maybe chances also there does not exist also possible. Why means here pi by 3 pi by 3 radians there means sometimes these values are does not exist. So maybe here 0 or does not exist, but this one generally we consider here the property we applying means pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is equal to 0 value. So that's why answer is B option. Laterally we see this one after released that key which option they given, but actually this one G 0, but sometimes these values are also not different. At the time that option also possible, does not exist. Next 45. So bit number 45 Sima, here A matrix given, A is equal to 0 0 1, next 0 1 0 given, next 1 0 0 given. Now A power 4, first this type of question given means A square you find it 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0, and again here 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 sorry 1 0 0. Now this one if you multiplying in must one should be we get the unit matrix. Identity matrix is equal to I. Now if you want A power 4, A power 4 means A square whole square, that is equal to I cube whole square value. Okay na, I cube whole square means is nothing but I cube only. Then A power 4 is equal to identity matrix. A power 4 is equal to identity matrix. Answer is fourth option. Answer is fourth option. So which one next? 46. 46th bit Sima. If A and B are pair matrices of the same order and B is the skew symmetric, B transpose B dash is equal to minus B. Now here what we prove that A dash B A given. This is the skew matrix or symmetric or null diagonal. So transpose we applying means suppose first term this one B A transpose into A transpose whole transpose. Now if you want to apply A transpose B transpose A value, but B transpose is equal to minus B, so A transpose into B A. So given value again if you get the same value, so that's why what here A dash B A is a skew symmetric matrix. So option, which option we write on here? Option A. Answer is A answer. Next 47. So 47 what we done here, 1 2 matrix product given 2 1, next 3 2 into A is equal to 1 0 0 1. So if you know that number, this condition AB is equal to BA is equal to I. So this one B, then this is the inverse of A. So A is equal to B inverse. B inverse is nothing but already we know that 2 by 2 given me, just we interchange these values and change the fine signs. And determinant value 4 minus 3. So this is the option 2 minus 1 minus 3 2. So answer is 3. Answer is 3. Okay na. So next 48 bit on determinant value given here, f of x is equal to x cube minus x, a plus x, next b plus x value, next x minus a and x square minus x, c plus x, next x minus b, x minus c, 0 given. Now f of 0 right, f of 0 is equal to 0 a b minus a 0 c minus b minus c 0. Now this is what skew symmetric odd order skew symmetric matrix. Odd order skew symmetric matrix. Already you know that one property, odd order skew symmetric matrix determinant value is equal to 0. F of 0 is equal to 0. So answer is 4. Option is D option. Okay na. So next one Sima 49 bit. So here one property given, determinant given. Odd given 49 Sima here. A1 comma A2 comma A3 and so on A9 or in AP given. Now if you want to find out some determinant is means A1 A2 A3 A3 A4 A4 A5 A6 A7 A8 A9. This type of questions given means just we take the verification. Verification means if you give the numbers 1 2 3 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or a plus d, a plus 2d, like that also if you take, here if you simplifying this determinant value, how much, so 45 minus 48 minus 2 into 36 minus 42 plus 3 into 20, 32 minus 35. Now how much here? Minus 3, here plus 6, 6 means 12. Here also minus 9. So this value is equal to 0. So determinant value is equal to 0 means option verification, verification options. Mostly here D option there, D option what there? Log of E base E. Log E base E is equal to 1. So that is equal to log 1 base E is equal to 0. So answer is D. So option, answer is what? This option, D option. Answer is D option, 49 bit. Okay na? Next, bit number 50, So bit number 50, determinant problem given. Here what given, First, order of A given. Order of A is equal to 3, det A is equal to 5 given. Now first we know that A into adjoint A is equal to what? Det A into IN. Okay na? So A into adjoint A is equal to 5 into IN. Here order 3 given, I3. Now if you take the determinant, A into adjoint A is equal to det 5 into I3. You know the one property, determinant of K power n into A value. So that's why 5 cube into determinant of I3. Unit matrix determinant means 1. So this value 125. So option is C. So answer is C option. Next 51. So 51 what given, f of x is equal to one function given here, 1 minus cos kx by x into sin x. X into sin x, where x is not equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means 1 by 2 given. So what we find out here is continuous at x is equal to 0, then the value of k. Okay na? So continuous means we know that this value limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to how much? F of 0 value. So that's why limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos kx by x into sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Now if you are applying L'Hospital rule, but you are applying the L'Hospital rule 2 times here. So otherwise first we simplifying this given limit value. How to write means limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x as it is written by x into limit x tends to 0, 1 by sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Now here we are multiplying into x. Now sin x by x is equal to 1. Now x into x then substitution this limit x into x square value. So limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos kx by x square is equal to 1 by 2. Now we are applying the L'Hospital rule means what we are here, sin kx into k by 2x. So limit x tends to 0, okay na, is equal to 1 by 2. Now if you multiplying k, so then again what we are doing, limit x tends to 0, sin kx into k square by 2x into k is equal to 1 by 2. Now this value become as 1, k square by 2, k square by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, k square is equal to 1, k is equal to plus or minus 1. This one method I think here complicated there, otherwise we substituted 1 by infinity. So otherwise if you want to applying the L'Hospital rule, so first time we are applying the L'Hospital rule, 1 minus cos kx, that method also so or this one. So what limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos kx by x into sin x is equal to 1 by 2. By L'Hospital rule what we have done here, limit x tends to 0, first sin kx into k by x into this value cos x plus this value sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Again if you get it infinity by infinity, so then again we are applying the L'Hospital rule. Then what we have done here, limit x tends to 0, cos kx, okay na, cos kx into k square by this side x into cos x, this limit x into minus sin x plus cos x plus cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Now if you substitute the limit, this value become as 1. So k square, this value become as 0. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. So k square by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. K square is equal to 1. K is equal to plus or minus 1. So this method also we applying okay na. L hospital rule if you applying means if you get the answer. So here to L hospital rule method, okay na. Now otherwise this one also applying, but here only some complicated. At a time if you applying the x value here, then only problem. Otherwise if you take multiple, after then we substitute the limit means then if you get the answer. Let's see next one, another one, left hand limit, right hand limit of the function, okay na, 52 bit one. Here what given here, f of x is equal to set of e power 1 by x minus 1 divides e power 1 by x plus 1. So x is not equal to 0, x is equal to 0 means 0 value. Left hand and right hand limit. So first LHL if you want to find out means limit extends to 0 minus function e power 1 by x minus 1 by e power x plus 1. Now directly here we substituted means no problem. Why means if we get the value limit we substituted means this value e power minus infinity minus 1 by e power minus infinity plus 1. E power minus infinity is equal to 0. So 0 minus 1 by 0 plus 1, that is equal to minus 1. Next RHL, right hand limit is equal to limit extends to 0 plus e power 1 by x minus 1 by e power 1 by x plus 1. But directly we substitute the limit, then what happens? E power infinity minus 1 by e power infinity plus 1. Infinity by infinity. This one what? Infinity infinity. So not defined. So that's why he simplifying this value. How to be simplifying means limit extends to 0 plus e power 1 by x common. 1 minus e power minus 1 by x. E power 1 by x common. 1 plus e power minus 1 by x. Now these two are cancelled. Now we substitute the value. 1 minus e power minus infinity by 1 plus e power minus infinity. So 1 minus 0 by 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. So right hand limit is 1, left hand limit is minus 1, right? Right hand limit is 1, left hand limit is minus 1. Answer C. Okay na. So this option is answer C. Previously 51 question there no, answer A. Previously 51 question there no, that one answer A. 51 question answer A. 52 question answer C value. Okay na. Next derivative problem, next one. Next derivative questions 53 bit derivative given. 53 model 2 power x 2 power y is equal to 2 power x plus y. If you want to dy by dx, if you applying the log on both sides, after then if you simplifying, if you get the value. But this one we comparing a power x a power y is equal to a power x plus y. Then dy by dx is equal to minus a power y minus x, minus a power y minus x. Now see in this case there are 2 power x plus 2 power y is equal to 2 power x plus y. Then what will happen here? dy by dx is equal to minus 2 power y minus x value. Minus 2 power y minus x. Answer is C. Answer is C. Otherwise if you want to convert it into logarithmic method, then we simplifying the given question. Next 54 so simple this one, f of x is equal to sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square given. Put x is equal to tan theta. Put x is equal to tan theta. Then what happens here? Sine inverse of sine 2 theta formula. Then f of x is equal to 2 theta. So 2 theta is equal to 2 into tan inverse x. Then derivative. So f dash of x is equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. F dash of root 3 is equal to 2 by 1 plus 3, that is equal to 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. Option C. Answer is C option. Next 55 bit. So 55 bit So 55 what given? Again derivative problem only. xc whole power y is equal to e power x given. So now if you take log on both sides, then what would happen? Y into log of xc is equal to x into log e base c. Then y into log of formula this one log m plus log n formula, then what would happen this value x. Finally y is equal to x by 1 plus log x. Y means log e is equal to 1. Now we are applying the derivative. So dy by dx is equal to 1 plus log x as it is written minus 1 minus x into 1 by x divides 1 plus log x whole square. X cancellation. So 1 plus log x minus 1 by 1 plus log x whole square. So finally what we done here? Log x divides 1 plus log x whole square. Log x by 1 plus log x whole square. So answer is B. B option. Okay na? So next one 56th bit. So 56th bit 56. So 56 what given means here y is equal to 2 power 2 into x power n plus 1, 2 into x power n plus 1 plus 3 into x power minus n, right on, x square into d square. 2 times we are applying the derivative. So first time dy by dx is equal to 2 into n plus 1 into x power n value, okay na, minus 3n into x power minus n minus 1. Second time also if you are applying the derivative d square y by dx square. So 2n into n plus 1 into x power n minus 1 plus 3n into n plus 1 x power minus n minus 2. Now if you are multiplying x square on both sides, x square into d square y by dx square is equal to here n into n plus 1 already common there. So 2 constant x power n plus 1, 2x square means, then again 3 into x power minus n value, but this value is equal to given data. Then what would have done? N into n plus 1 into y. So which option is correct? C option. Answer C is a correct answer. Next so this is also board question I think, but here given if you want to find out the k square value, so that's why what we find out first derivative. So first curve what given 57 bit. So 57 bit first curve 2x is equal to y square. So 2 is equal to 2y into dy by dx. That implies dy by dx is equal to 1 by y. First one. Next 2x into y is equal to k. 2 into 1 plus so y into 1 dy by dx into x is equal to 0. Then dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Here what given these two lines are intersecting perpendicularly. Slope product is equal to m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So that's why 1 by y into minus 1 by x is equal to minus 1. So finally from this equation x is equal to 1. So when x is equal to 1, then y square value, then here we substitute the value. Y square is equal to 2. Then here k is equal to 2xy given. K square if you want to find out 4x square y square, that is equal to 4 into 1 into this value 2 value, that is equal to 8. So k square is equal to 8 value. So answer is A. Answer is A option is correct. Next 58th bit. So 58 bit what given here? The maximum. So the maximum value of, so f of x is equal to this function log x base c by x value. So derivative if you want to find out maximum minimum means x into this value 1 by x minus log x into 1 divides this value x square. For maximum minimum what we have done here? F dash of x is equal to 0. 1 minus log x base c is equal to 0. So log x base c is equal to 1, x is equal to e value. So maximum value means where we substitute a given function, then log e base c by e, that is equal to 1 by e. So which option correct here? Answer is D. Answer is D answer. Next 59 bit. See ma, 59 bit what given means ma here, if the side of a cube is increased by 5%, so side we x, consider x means delta x is equal to 5% of x, means 5 by 100, 5x by 100. Now surface area, s is equal to generally 6x square, delta s is equal to 12x into delta x, that is equal to 12x into delta x, 5 by 100 into x, so that is equal to how much? 60 by 100 into x square. Now if we eliminated here x square value, so that's why how to eliminate it means 10 by 100 into 6x square, this value 10%. 6x square is nothing but what ma? Yes, surface area. So if you want here required increased surface area is increased by 10%. Surface area is increased by 10%. Surface area is increased by how much ma? 10%. Next last one ma, integration problem. Last again integration only given. This one option is B. Answer is B. This one answer. Next here what given? Last one integral problem here 60 question. Integral 1 plus x power 4 by 1 plus x power 6 dx. Just we applying one operating here. Integral 1 plus x power 4 by 1 plus x power 6 multiplying divisible with 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square into dx value, that is equal to, so this value x power 6 plus x square plus 1 plus x power 4 by 1 plus x power 6 into 1 plus x square dx value. Now if we take here x power 6 plus 1 term, x square common if we take it means x square plus 1 by this value 1 plus x power 6 into 1 plus x square dx. Now we separate that terms, so 1 plus x, this cancellation 1 by 1 plus x square dx plus integral, this one also x square by 1 plus x power 6 dx. Now here what we done, this integration tan inverse of x. Now if we multiplying and divisible with 3, then 3x square by this value x cube whole square dx, x cube whole square dx value. Now if we take the substitution here, x cube is equal to what we done here, x cube is equal to t means 3x square dx is equal to dt. 3x square dx is equal to dt, that is equal to so tan inverse of x plus 1 by 3 integral, so dt by this value again 1 plus t square, so that is equal to tan inverse of x plus 1 by 3 into tan inverse of t means again tan inverse of x cube plus c value, tan inverse of x plus 1 by 3 tan inverse of x cube plus c. So option C this one answer is C. Okay na, right. See totally we completed 60 bits with explanations. Okay na, so right. Thank you. Okay, thank you.